Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford EcoSport manual. First, always ensure your vehicle is in a safe position before beginning. Make sure the parking brake is fully engaged for safety. Next, press the clutch pedal all the way to the floor with your left foot. With the clutch depressed, turn the ignition key to the start position. The engine should now turn over and begin running smoothly. Once the engine is running, keep the clutch pedal pressed down. Gently move the gear stick into first gear. Now, fully release the parking brake. To move off, slowly and smoothly lift your left foot from the clutch pedal while simultaneously pressing down on the accelerator with your right foot. This coordination is key to a smooth start without stalling the engine. For smooth driving, mastering the coordination between the clutch and accelerator is essential, especially when changing gears. Always anticipate traffic conditions ahead to allow for gentle braking and acceleration, which improves fuel efficiency and comfort. Practicing hill starts in a safe, quiet area will build your confidence and skill, ensuring you can handle various driving situations with ease and precision. If your EcoSport manual doesn't start, first check basic things like the battery charge and fuel level. A common issue is a low battery or simply being out of fuel. Also, regularly inspect your clutch fluid levels to ensure proper operation and prevent wear. Keeping these simple checks in mind can save you time and hassle. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Regular maintenance ensures your vehicle remains reliable for many journeys to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.